Amana ninjebira Jessica omukarani w'ekihalimu abikara hakuhi n'ekikuru ekikasenda ya maghetse embura buthuku bunu thukakyiralekerera kutsibu kundi bwa esahenu embura yikabya yamawa neryo kikasenda ya maghetse manene thukabura aheriraba obuthuku obuhwere mukyasendya abana basathu neryo hathya thukakyiralekerera kutsibu ithwe thuwithe abana bakasoma esukuru kandi abakakyisoka neryo ibwa embura yamabiriwa thukabya n'obuba kundi ibwa neryo ithwe thukabya ithuthuwithe ahabangalhaba ngasaba yindi yathuwathikaye bathukolera obuyambi basa bakolya ekikuru eki bathuwathikayakyo bakyithekako enzira ahabandu bangalhaba kwabya bakahika hali emaini ibathuthekeraho enanga obulhalu obuwene abana bethu bangathoka erisoka nethu twangathoka erisoka kundi thukalira omwakathali thukakyisoka thukaghenda omwakathali thukayarondya ebyerirya neryo embura thukakyabwabulhabaku kundi ibwa thukabya sithuwithe ekyerikolha kundi n'abataka babayiyayiya bakabugha ambu ithwe thwamikalhahu sithuwithe ekyerirya thukalhabaku neryo abataka bamayisorokyasorokya bamakolha omuhiwu abalhume kyiro ekyo mubathahinga mubakolha omuhiwu mubayisorokyawu bamakolha erikolha obulhalu bw'emithi obo. Ngamasighalha ingalibira Jessica omukarani w'ekihalimu.
Ngawaya kwa bataka ngawindi eribwindi thukerenda government yesi usimidi yaberesa kipima beite rusiri ya maghetse ngoko ekitrakita kyabiri kumakumawo korudo rukende kyapa bakauwa maghetse akasende rundi embura yikawu anguli balwa kwameshi beite ekyo bamathende kikora bukende sakya abandu babiri koreki ebabirighenda like ways tubyenga basungu obuthuku bweshasino bukabwa amabanika abasungu abanene bakalwere shasino because akabesa watanga kwa case controlling neryo basoma Africa nethu abali kwa kisikisike kyekisha amabranga ndiye embura yikawa naenda omwabutaka imwe ya case bethi tukisa athu amathendirwaku twikero kwa bombu eyithehire eyamaghetse bukende sakya amaghetse nabirithwala abandu ewayo kwa balemi municipality sisinga kuyabirisa pima angore yiva ibya first priority okwabindi bisha ebene munu ewasa wanaba hayi ekishe kyekyaminyoko kyahalimu already kyekye kyabaraheka abandu banene kyabatsuka bwathangere banza okwabindi bikuru
wamashyara
n'amashyari ninjakalya byuma Isaac chairman local council 2 owenyakabingo yakabiri kandi chairman we security so nekyo nakyo kiri omwapatri ye security security yes abibi ye 9 kavungoma yabaka ebani mwikaramu neriboko rwandire security ngokungangara yomwibi sende sahwaho because ukokarangera na Yesu Kristo mubamba n'omwibi sekyamamenyekana ndi omwibi abiri bya gazetted ndi akesa benane neruthu abandu tutole ni tutwayirenda ngamunabiri ababirende bakateresha business eshabandu neribwa abandu eyabiri bya kavu eyiribwe ndi bana robi bithuka yabenda iyo mwibi na rwini na mwibi inamwendisha rwini no mwibi so abataka ngabughende okomunabiri iwanamenye ndokatra haruba obuthuku buneho it's true nekishekyo nekavunguma eyabibi mukama marondi yabendu kasangana abandu babiri yabibi so kwakisha kwe so ekishekyo ko rwanda security nakyo security threat because ikyo sotanga okuwanga cherenda mwangambuke dipolenge kwe UPDF the police nekindu kinene sitotanga okotwanga nakire nerithu abandu twabasana baza nitothola retwamenye nditukayerenda because ikyekisha sikyanga thulendeke yomwibi akana ute target yuka akabisama nabisamiri naye habatenda mu bana so nitotuyirinde nitotwetandika kwe security yokubanza.
Kwa menani Kiza Wilson area chairperson LC2 Wekatadoba hano Homa Central Division Kasese municipality munabwire engasangasangana n'abamakuru nganze reportinga okoruhande orwa ekikuru ekikyaminyoku kihalimu ekyamabere kanya to an extent that chikanya bya security threat ekikuru eki twamabererwa nakyo myaka minene to an extent that itwe nga obwembebete obwe local authority twabirithekamu amani wethu erangiranga tukachiprotectinga tuthi omasya priorities syethu nomale habwere tulemo bwembimbitu bwelusi wanu tukachiforwardinga okwa Central Division Council obonge wombora yetu kandi nabo babirichiforwardinga kwa municipality omasya priorities esyebekuru ebitolere ebyaherebwa annotation. Hanyumaho ekikuru eki eribikikabya threat kyanabirisendi abana basatu mucha creating a floods cha abana basatu mubasenda mubahora abana abo twabirifwerwa obumizi bwabo. Amanyumba awali hakuhi nacho ali mutandikeri twikangika neribwa omwaka wahweri oyu mutukana municipality na yaberemwa yikana chisabumitinga okwa district district good enough yikana turonderia abapartners hanuma nasiri ekitongole ekika yokosye news ekitongole ekyo. I'm glad, I'm very happy in you what coordinating akucho your disaster okwa district who is none other than Isingoma kana tuletera abageni bamasaba makirambura babere kirambura one bamatru abere mironge and tuhere yoko. Unfortunately twabere here mironge eri bali amasale nene lyamyayu kandi neyinde yamasendra kusangwe neimburamu ya nawo baitu eyara semeke yeneko neribwa as of now.
Amen no mulenge bakanyitamu kapiripiti o matamangalo.
Amen wawo wenyine.
Amen no mulenge bakanyitamu muhendu Joas kapiripiti o matamangalo. Ekitiwa kyatuwete tamangalo kyakikuru ekikasenda amayete ekikahambangana tamangalo nerisokera okonotsigate. Tweto obutsebu twenga bana beboda sichitokera abahu na manyumba ushawalehu abinyeba wangana sende ne time embula mu akutsebu sibalitoka sokerayo kundi emierike yaberekanya ayendere kwasya labiro mashanyumba shabantu. So obutsobo le hubo obo tukasaba government yetu etikaye tubye tukachikolako nerichishutinga ndege. Obutsobo muntu obolehu tukalabo kwa rutendo twabe tubabituira kwa kalalu kameti epichiyangasa tokera abahu eributi omundu angalaba unanekira bintu binene kakenda kadenga sitwanga ihawo. So tukasaba ekitiwa government yase yituwatika yakutu
omasiyalo
na masiyalo ne muhendu Joas kapiripiti matemangalo.
Njambere Eliud mwendesha awe pichipichi hano matemangalo boda stage itwange chikuru cha hano twabekera butukunene kukubanza muna kola ndi story ngane chama ni boda otemangalo tumoteboje abakasoma batobali isiri bakatutesa area erifso cha bindu byabo batwabibahicha hano kwa mukuru hamabiri college eribye tukabe kwa muongo. So ekikuru twabelakera abantu banene abusi banasi omukuru oyu akatikira sali chichamayenda mulero tukabula government ya tukasi ine mtu wa tikebende beto omukuru oyu sali chamati tukangania abati ibo banesiri ya shokwecho kusangwibwa abantu abusi aboda bayi na batakabe isiria almost tukatukanze rikoloa ngolo tendunga rikolo meeting ngolo tukayihambamu hanungo muhewu municipality yangana baiti tunashekiriya ibeji abaiti mulenda mateka. So itwanga bataka na bandu bakasiba hanu chitulebana a positive information akomwatsi owechikurono kusangwibwa tumabirunza butukubu nene etunalindirira. It's like yama kangini because the disaster happening akera nesa henu omukuru abiribya mukuru siwanga troka omundu anganatwera mu fact because epichipichi tukalengeserile bya yoko ali ukala bayoko individual babe tutrange sitwala bako. So tukayibula yebo customer biko area ndo bewe ukikola out ukatsikeria bichi editime kwa pichi kewa biko akolisa omuongo ba ukabitwala wewe. So tukasaba mbembeji abalikosana de kutsevu tumutu atikaye kusangwibwa echitsibu echi chikilomwe chindi kundibwa itwe nembulake yabitsikeri yongera mana ake tulina abanyatemangalo besikala bataka bana hanu boda abandu bahirani ne chikuru mucha achikakala kutsebu muya bichima bitsikairisha nyumba because ngeke mutaka wetu oyu iyo abiri na humamu baka natiri nyumba mucha kwa mucha atwalai tukavulanga bakisaba compensating because ebintu bishi tukasunibye government yeye shika ikabandolinga abandu babenda bakahandekwa abali kwa chikuru baota mahabati bana muisako lachi bana muisakanya kwa byabo betu kusanga obutukuma byabo nene tukavulanga ngavene mwesabi kisha yebeja chikuru chine muyongera pamatindi chimba lu chikeunzera na wali halutambi kwende bwana muyongera
Omasiara
na mashiyali ngane mbere Eliud umwendesha wanu epikipiki kwa Temangalo bodaboda stage.
Kasese municipality to unfortunately ndi town irimwa chiringa chuna itimbira kwa vetwa mesene maneno wakandalira mu town nerukaba nakasise shanguda shetu ishagali izi sinene beto omwatsi mu bihanga abanyakasese program yatu limu yo yichimidi yetu ko mukwezi ko musanjo omumwe kwa watu namono ya prioritizingire ebikuru kati mugalize kusango balangira ebikuru tutamabekola eshanguda sikindi kwa very fast. So already tulikuwa design level ili making sure ndobuli chikuru cyose kiri mu town tukachikapucharinga kachikabya design ngachikikola chetu tukalengekana yichi chikya bikoleka tukatuma bitunge permanent solution. Of course egali isi trust nguda sikaita bridges obana agali yabrebya hakite bridge for people to continue accessing at that level ebishe tukiva na designs satukayatunga eri labo moichi namna mundu uwa yapuma enekere puma yini kintu kikalire real eneke yotakala kana nakulenga itwa bandu nerukaba no mundu nabiri yapuma halu hanamulaba maese abana bireteka nyumba ubane nyumba ya twike kolachi abantu tukaba habula yo ikala ba maese muleke myanyeyo kusangana tukatoka kola still tukiwa tukibalweyo mtu atokare kolachi shagali zingesha so tukahabula banyakasese emisha tutalekera ya maese itwanga kolayo amese ngatokere laba netu tunaho ngabanyakasese.
Yeah, it is unfortunate that yesterday we had rains in the mountains, majorly, and in Charumba, Nyamugasani took away a mother who was with the son as they were returning from the field, and they attempted to cross the waters. And you know, the waters are always stubborn. They underestimated the waters and she was lost. But thank God the son was rescued by a team, the local team. And Charumba and Chondo, we have our partners who have trained the locals on how to rescue, how to respond in case a disaster happens. We are likely to face more of the kind because this is the time of the season of March, April, May, that our rivers overflood their banks, even when we have not had rains in the lowlands. But because the mountain has excess rains, that's when we always face this challenge. Disaster Management Committee is doing all what it takes to mobilize the communities. The early warning system is being strengthened. We have gone up to the village, directing the communities at risk of being affected by floods. Save the Children, Action Against Hunger, Caritas, other partners, and the Kasese District local government. We have strengthened the system of early warning. We have been on radios, we have been on ground, we have trained the locals with the support of Save the Children, with the support of Kima Foods and the Action Against Hunger, and we have provided the loudspeakers, the means of communication, the whistles, and we have told the people not to be near the forest, near the rivers. When they see the weather changing, they should have the vision to see. We are lucky that it always happens during the day. It has not been during the nights. If it was during the nights, we would lose more people. Yes. The camps have been supported, the evacuation centers, under early anticipatory action planning. The camps have been put in place for anything. If you think you are going to be affected, you go to the place, and they are aware of where they are supposed to go. And Action Against Hunger has already supported them with even multipurpose cash. Multipurpose cash, in case you are in the camp, what can you eat? What can you be on? How can you be supported using your cash? Kenyange in Karusandara was affected by a storm, which is very unfortunate. And we have already captured it. Not only that, because you can recall what happened in Icharumba, Chihungu, where we lost the primary school and some houses. So the storm, the rains we are going to have, according to the forecast, will involve will involve heavy storms, but in isolated places. So that's why we're saying the structures, if they are weak, and there are no windbreakers, we have to get a problem.
There is a concern that government needs
institutions, yeah. Those ones you have put for every structure that is going under renovation and being constructed at the moment, there is a provision. It is a must put on. And now we have encouraged the sub-counties, institutions, the church-founded institutions, to also support ISOR as we plan together as a district. So it has been prioritized that every structure that we are putting up should have lightning arresters, both the old structures and the new reconstructed. And we are encouraging the foundation bodies to support us because the resources are not enough.
anything can happen.
I told them. I went there. We had a function when we were giving a response to the Charumba Chihungu storm, and we were giving food items and non-food items. I told them, please, it is coming during the day, and I'm still calling upon the people of Kasese, living in the lowlands and the highlands. Don't cross the rivers. You better sleep where you are. When you cannot, then go where there are bridges, because every place has a bridge. Every river has a bridge, though at a long distance, but you can walk there than trying to there cross. Yeah. Thank you.
Now, ake tukakevyo marukonso. Nini. Kakaya vya live.
Hatia we nanga
Let me first alinga uchine bizo.
Kabu betu ndamenye nina kwa.
Kale. So let me follow this guy.
Hai. Anduke yani chaka kurondeza hivi.